The next workflow is to import GNSS control points. So here we have GNSS points. I'm going to add them to the current map. And let's zoom to them. So zoom to layer. I'm going to change the symbology so it's a bit more obvious what they are. So just click on the symbol here. And in the symbology we just choose another type of symbol. And you can see they are in different locations. Let's turn on the imagery. So it's not the best resolution, but it's what we have here. And you can see there's some distance between the new captured points and the existing ones, 3 meters. So it's a bit exaggerated, 5.5, 5.27 meters. So that will help us determine the tolerance of matching the new points to the existing ones. We can also look at the attributes of those new points. They could be coming from an Excel spreadsheet, a shapefile, and so on, and it's easy to make a point feature class out of them. They have also some attributes, X, Y, and Z values, as well as some metadata regarding the accuracy in X, Y, and Z dimensions. So those are those points. To import them in, we are going to use one of the parcel tools. In the geoprocessing toolboxes, parcel tools here, we can see there's a tool called import parcel fabric points. So we're going to use this one. Our source points are those GNSS points that we see here. We can specify the target parcel fabric, record name if it's relevant. There's different ways to match the new points to the existing ones. You can use proximity, and that's what we're going to use today. But if you had unique names, we can use those as well, or a global IDs. And that's useful if you take the data to the field first and then update the coordinates of a point. You can also use its global ID. I'll just put 7 meters for proximity to make sure we cover that distance that we have here. And we also have the ability to just update existing points, or also create new ones, or only create new ones, or only update the one we match. So let's use that option here. And the type of update we want to see here is everything. I'm going to move it over here so you can see it. And if we want, we can also specify a conflict table. I'll make sure I have the ability to undo. So I'll just discard the edit until now and make sure I can undo this. And now press run. And as you can see, the points have moved to the new location. We can turn off those GNSS points if we want to. And if we select the parcel, you can see the boundaries have been updated. If we undo, we can see the movement before and after the update of the boundaries. If we look at any of those points here, at the attributes, we can see that they captured that information that came from those imported points. So we can see the X, Y, and Z coordinates, and as well as the accuracies, they just moved into those points. So that's a quick way using that geoprocessing tools import parcel fabric points to import new location for existing boundaries. You can also use this tool to just import new control points if you want.